In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make LoFi in Suno AI, step by step. To get started, open Suno and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the Create page and start a new music project. This is where you'll build your track from the ground up, and it gives you the space to shape the exact kind of lo-fi sound you want. Next, enable custom mode. This is an important part of the process because it gives you more control over the result. Instead of generating something broad and generic, custom mode helps you guide the style, mood, instrumentation, and overall vibe much more precisely. Now it's time to define the lo-fi style. When writing your prompt, focus on the relaxing, nostalgic, and textured qualities that make lo-fi feel so recognizable. A strong example would be something like lo-fi chill hop, instrumental, with warm vinyl crackle, mellow piano chords, jazzy drums, soft bass, nostalgic atmosphere, relaxing study vibes, and cozy production. The more clearly you describe the mood and sound, the better Suno can interpret your vision. After that, choose the mood for your track. Lo-fi can lean in several different directions, so think about the feeling you want to create. Popular choices include study and focus, relaxing, rainy day, nostalgic, late night vibes, or a cozy cafe atmosphere. For example, you could use a prompt like calm lo-fi beat with rainy ambiance, warm textures, and peaceful late night energy. This helps narrow the emotional tone of the music. Then decide whether you want vocals or an instrumental. Most lo-fi tracks are instrumental, so if that's your goal, make it clear by writing instrumental only, no vocals. If you do want vocals, keep them subtle and atmospheric. A good direction would be soft, dreamy vocals with minimal lyrics and atmospheric effects. From there, add production details. This is where you can really shape the character of the track. Include elements like vinyl crackle, tape saturation, jazzy piano, soft drums, electric piano, ambient textures, and warm bass. A useful example is warm Rhodes piano, dusty drums, vinyl crackle, smooth bass line, tape saturation, cozy bedroom studio sound. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate. Listen through the versions Suno creates and save the one that best matches your vision. If it's close but not quite there, refine the prompt by asking for more jazz influence, more ambient sounds, a slower tempo, stronger piano melodies, or rain and nature sound effects. If you want a longer piece, use the extend feature to create longer listening sessions, add new melodic sections, build a fuller lo-fi arrangement, and develop smoother transitions. Finally, save your final version, download the audio file, and use it in your projects according to Suno's licensing terms.